For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
For quite a long time the corporates basically have been wrestling with an idea that could create a profoundly trustworthy stage. A stage that can sort of be instrumental in keeping the information put away as well as secure and kind of protected from any current and expected dangers. The difficulties of the money area brought forth the ascent of blockchain technology that rose to unmistakable quality, particularly concerning the decentralized finance area, which is very critical. With the developing prevalence of bountiful resources, the creation of the ONT network in the year 2017 by a gathering of genuinely Chinese specialists on digital currencies has just demonstrated a gift. This wonder of ontology fundamentally was delivered by the mastery of two organizers, De Hongfei and Eric Zhang, in an essentially significant manner. Here you will get all data about ONT ontology price prediction and its specialized investigation. Philosophy, ONT, the topography within. The Ontology project expects to go about as a bond for the fiat and computerized reality where the trust variable of the majority in a real sense assumes a critical part. Assessing the benefits of the Ontology project, it incorporates a superior exhibition-situated conveyed personality framework, disseminated information trade and coordinated effort, and circulated system conventions. It mixes isolated networks, conveyed confirmation and consolidations, a flexible really wind of calculation modules that in every practical sense, are confined to explicit businesses. So it arose as a crypto monster that delivers an immaculate and most dependable organization, and especially mixed incorporation of a cross-chain framework, and supports as a powerful crypto organization for applications across industry and all contraptions. Simultaneously, it encouraged distributed trust, consequently making a profoundly cooperative and client-well-disposed interface in view of profound learning for people in general as well as private, which is very critical. Neo-wallet proprietors and supporters of the ONT email pamphlet certainly are special holders of ONT somewhat. Comprehension of ontology price prediction. The start of the year 2021 was very certain for ONT as there truly was huge development from 40 cents to $2.69 by May 2021 and in every way that really matters, significant way. It essentially was a development of by and large over 500%. Financial backers and dealers began benefit booking, prompting an unexpected cost fall. From $2.69, the value tumbled to 58 cents in under 2 months. The cost nearly returned to the level from where it especially began the bull run. From that point forward, the coin really has been exchanging a sideways venture with extremely minor cost rises and generally falls. At present, the coin is exchanging at $0.6969 with a 24 hours exchanging volume of $119,125,992. The whole crypto market especially is blasting, and the equivalent generally is seen for ONT as an extremely slight cost rise. From the ongoing cost level, huge opposition is seen at $1.04, and critical help is seen at 43 cents. The cost has supported this help level beginning around 2021, offering a positive hint to financial backers. According to Bollinger Bands, the instability has expanded, and the cost is exchanging over the upper band, showing a hopeful viewpoint. Specialized markers are likewise demonstrating bullish force. RSI is at 76, demonstrating profoundly bullish energy, and it has explicitly crossed the overbought signal. The MACD line is likewise exchanging over the signal line, demonstrating bullish energy in a significant way. Generally speaking, every one of the pointers sort of are positive for the coin, and the ongoing cost levels in a real sense are ideally suited for merchants and financial backers to collect the mint piece and hold the currency till the costs sort of cross basically the $1 mark once more. Cosmology Price Prediction 2022. Shockingly, the start of 2021 was very beneficial and the flow cost generally has additionally begun recuperation. The ongoing cost is exchanging around 69 cents and as per Ontology Coin News, the cost is supposed to increment later on, which basically is genuinely critical. By December 2022, the digital currency could exceptionally reflect positive patterns concerning cost. and it might arrive at a limit of $1.08. Cosmology Price Prediction 2023. With significantly more and more financial backers purchasing Ontology around in earlier years, it might just amount to the cost of ONT dramatically and coordinate its blockchain on numerous applications in a huge manner. According to our figures, the mass reception will bring about a rise in cost, and according to our Ontology cost expectations, toward the finish of 2023, it could essentially be exchanging between 98 cents to $1.28. Philosophy Price Prediction 2024 to 2025. Different advancements in the ONT innovation are normal. According to the Ontology cost forecasts, the greatest cost for the most part is supposed to be around $1.89 constantly 2024 to 2025, in spite of prevalent thinking. Obviously, force majeure is limited, which is very critical. Philosophy Price Prediction 2026 Incredibly, according to our estimates, a ruin could in a real sense be normal in the value, prompting a cost fall when contrasted with the earlier year. The Ontology cost toward the finish of 2026 may be exchanging around $1.51. Last verdict, Ontology ONT Price Prediction. Metaphysics basically has endured over the extreme long haul and increased its prosperity through coalitions and osmosis, cooperating with names like MovieBlock, a stage for dispersing films in light of blockchain, and Complayer, Go With Me, and Parody Game. According to our expectations, no big surprise, soon the ONT cost will soar. In a significant manner. Is Ontology an excellent interest in 2022, or so they thought? Indeed, as indicated by our cost figure and specialized investigation, the Ontology cost fundamentally will increment, and it will be a wise venture. Presently the Ontology cost fundamentally is around 60 cents, yet by December 2022, it will mirror an extremely certain cost change. Is it productive to put resources into Ontology? In light of our Ontology figure and examination, it will be productive to put resources into Ontology, ONT for the long haul for very nearly a time of 5+ years. How would I buy Ontology coins for myself? Many web stages for exchanging digital currencies, the market sort of permit venture. Register yourself with Truly Your Kike certifications and execute through any of actually your Master or Visa charge card. Post-check, your altcoins are moved to your ONT wallet. All in only 30 minutes. How would I make my Ontology wallet? Your passkeys to fundamentally arrive at the digital money wallet stay saved money on your cell phone in a by and large enormous manner. Besides, you can rapidly and